Hi, everybody, and welcome to my humble little website. So, I'm just gonna go through the basics of my website really quick and just little stuff like that. So, right here, this is my logo. I made it in Logo Maker. It's really cool. My inspiration was just like I wanted it to be a cultural site, and like my main focus was the African American culture and like emphasis on Africa. So I incorporated the afro, the pic, and just something really cool that I thought would really like bring my website together. So this is my homepage. On this page, I just have a little background on my website and basically what my mission is for my website. And then a fun little picture that I found on Google that I thought was really cool. Then I have my About Me page, which is just a little bit about me, along with a cool little picture that I took in Sedona over the summer that I thought was really cool. This is my hair tab, and in this feature, it will be having different hairstyles and stuff for people with coarse hair and stuff like that, along with some hair tutorial links from YouTube are going to be right here. Under my skin tab, I'm just going to have different makeup brands that are beneficial toward darker skinned people, along with different makeup looks that will really complement dark skin. In my outfits tab, right now I just have a picture with me and two of my friends in our dashikis, but this will be a photo gallery with just different outfits that I like and I think go along with my website, along with links to the websites to purchase the material. And my art tab is just something fun that I just wanted to throw in there. Just some cool art that I thought was cool personally, and I just wanted to share with other people that viewed my website. Right here, we have my vlog page where people can just post their experiences, and they can also post their outfits and stuff that they drew from my website. Here I have my contact page where you can just email me or let me know about anything or any questions on my website. And then I have my resource page with my infographic, which just has a little bit of information on my website. So thank you and enjoy.